Hi guys, it's Kelsey and Kendra, and today we're going to be sharing with you all about the jewelry that we wear. We get a ton of questions about our jewelry every time we wear a pair of hoops, a certain necklace. You guys are always messaging us on social media asking where that particular piece is from, and today we're going to be sharing with you where all of our pieces are from and the websites that we like to shop on for our jewelry. So yeah, just keep watching. So the first store we're going to talk about is Child of Wild. I found them on Instagram. I first saw, I think, Kendall Jenner wearing a necklace from them, and I just immediately went on the site and I was looking for this particular necklace right here. And the very first time I wore this, I got a ton of questions. And this one is called the Full of Grace necklace. Obviously, Kelsey and I ordered all these online. We didn't walk into a store or anything like that. So all these are online stores. So anybody can get their hands on them. This one I really wanted because it has Jesus on the cross. I just love having like a piece of God with me everywhere I go, you know. So I love this one. It's a lot daintier and the chain is like really skinny. It's almost like a very thin rope chain. But if you're into like a very understated chain, then you would like this one. But the chain does turn, unfortunately. So try not to get it wet if you want to get your hands on this one. But yeah, I do want to admit that the chain does turn. I wish it stayed like the true gold color on the site. Like when I'm looking at it on my phone, it doesn't look like this in person. So it does turn. So you might want to be careful with that. Like most jewelry that's not all, you know, real, you have to be careful with getting it wet and stuff like that. Yeah, this one is from Child of Wild. I actually got rid of most of my Child of Wild jewelry because it did turn and I was sick of wearing like dingy necklaces. You should probably switch the chain on it if you still want to wear the actual rosary on it, because this hasn't turned, only the chain turned for some reason. Maybe it's made out of a different, like, you know, different gold. Yeah. So, because that stayed the same and then the chain is a different color. So, because I actually still have my cross like that. I just threw away the actual chain because I'm still trying to find a chain to put with the cross. So the next necklace I'm going to mention, I like to wear when I want something a little bit more understated, and it's this double teardrop necklace. We're obviously going to have close-ups of all of these so you guys can see them better. But I wear this a ton when I'm on vacation and I have a bathing suit on, just because sometimes I just want to wear something simple, because I like still having jewelry on when I'm in a bathing suit. Me too. I don't know if that's weird, but I just like to. It looks better. Yeah, so yeah, this one is like really simple without overdoing it when you're wearing like a bathing suit or something, or if you're just more simple. This one is from Baublebar. I don't know if I mentioned that. Baublebar is where we used to get like our classic bar necklace that you guys used to always ask us about, like the bar pendant and it had a K on it. That was from Baublebar. I no longer have it. Honestly, I have no idea where it is. Yeah, I think I lost it during the move. Yeah, I think we lost it during the move. But it was from Baublebar. I probably get another one because you guys used to always ask about it, and we used to always say Baublebar, Baublebar. So yeah, it's from Baublebar as well as this one. Baublebar is a really good site for jewelry as well. They have a ton of different style necklaces to choose from, as well as bracelets. I don't know too much about their earrings because I really don't get their earrings. So I only pretty much go on there for only their necklaces. Oh, and their rings as well. And since we're on the topic of Baublebar and rings, our name rings that we always wear, I got me and Kendra these, I think last year, like a year and a half, almost 2 years ago. Really? That's how long we've had these? Yeah, they have turned. Yeah, they have turned a little bit, kind of like silverish. They're kind of silverish now, but like they kind of look like a white gold now. They have our names on them, and you can custom make a lot of stuff on Baublebar, which I also like. So this says Kelsey, obviously, and Kendra says Kendra, and I surprised her with it, like Kendra said, like almost 2 years ago. So we just always like to wear them. They're our sister rings until we can afford Cartier, you know. So yeah, even after that, I'm still gonna wear it. I'm still gonna keep this one. Yeah, because you know it's personalized. It says our names. So if you want something like personalized, or you're trying to get a gift for someone, Baublebar is a really good place to go for that. And speaking of personalized things, the next store I'm going to talk about is By Durrani. And I get a lot of things from here, even though I'm going to say right off rip, it takes forever to ship. Like, especially if you're getting personalized things, it takes a little bit longer. So I will admit that when you order from there, if you want to get a gift for someone, do it ahead of time, please. So these two necklaces I got from By Durrani. So this first one I got for Kelsey and I, it says blessed. A lot of you ask about this one when we wear it. This is called the calligraphy name necklace, so you can put basically whatever you want on it. Obviously on the site they have actual name necklaces, like for the example, like the picture, so you can do name necklaces for gifts, or you can get a saying or a word that you like. I wanted to get blessed because I'm blessed, so you can pretty much do whatever you want. You can do numbers or scripture, anything you want. So those do take a little bit longer because they are custom made. They make it specifically for you. And her site is a lot of made to order, so that's why I'm assuming that it takes longer. Yeah. So she probably doesn't have just a bunch of the same things like waiting in a warehouse somewhere, so it's made to order, which makes sense as to why it takes forever. So I love this blessed one that we wear. And I recently also got us this name necklace, or our nickname necklaces that we call each other. And this one says Ken and Kelsey says Kels. Just because for the longest we have referred to each other as that, or just like on social media sometimes, like we see some of our subscribers call us that for short, or you know, I just thought it was cute to have. And this font on the site is called the Old English Initial font. I love the Old English font. I love how it looks. It's just super, like, you know, old school, vintage looking. I just like the look of it. And they do have different option chains on there as well. Jules by Durrani doesn't have one chain option for her necklaces, so I highly recommend that you get a name necklace with your choice of a chain if you don't like one specific one. So it's good to have options, and the prices vary for these. It depends on the length of the chain that you get. So hers is a little bit more, there's more variety on Jules by Durrani as far as what you like. So they have longer chains, they have shorter chains, so it's very, very custom. So I don't really have an exact price for these two because they were custom. I will say the custom things are more expensive than like the regular items. Okay, so next I'm just going to move on to the necklaces that are actually on my neck. Currently, I've been wearing these a lot lately. Not all three together, but most of the time I'll just wear like two. And when I'm feeling extra like today, I'll do three. And all three of them are from the M Jewelers. And I recently discovered them maybe like a month ago. And they actually messaged me on social media to like work with them. But I had already ordered my stuff. So I was like, dang it, I could have got it for free. But it was worth spending the money on because these are actually real 14 karat gold pieces, so they do last a long time. And this choker that I'm wearing, this is a name necklace choker. It's actually called the mini choker. That's why it's really short and small. They don't have this one longer because it's supposed to be mini and small, and it is a choker, and it just says Kels on it. So another nickname necklace for me. I just thought it was cute, and I actually never take this one off. The choker, I've showered in it for like the past 2 weeks, and it has not done anything, obviously, because it is real gold. And then the other one, the next one, this cross that I've been wearing a lot, is called the crucifix necklace. And I also got this one in gold as well. These took a little bit longer because they are real. And it seems to me that these are made to order as well because they did take long to get here. But yeah, the cross, again, is called the crucifix necklace. And it just has, of course, Jesus on the cross, which I really like as well. And like Kendra said, it just, you know, feels good to have him close. So I like to wear this one a lot. Also on the M Jewelers, you can pick different chains. And I can't remember the name of this one. I can't remember the name of this one, but they have like 3 different chains to choose from. So it's very personalized as well. So you can personalize the color gold. They have yellow gold and white gold. And you can personalize the actual chain too. So you can basically have your own personalized piece of jewelry. And then the other one that I wear, like a lot of people have been asking me about this one because I've been wearing it the most lately with my choker. And this one is called the Jesus metal necklace. And it just has a picture of Jesus on it. And it's like a coin type necklace, but it's like in this like rectangle shape. They have circle ones on there too, or like rounded ones too, but they're like
coin ones.
Yeah, they have coin ones on there as well. So you can also get those on there as well. They just have a ton of different options, and like I said, I like them as well because I like having different chains to pick from. I hate being forced to pick one chain because sometimes you like the actual piece, but you don't really like the chain that it comes with. So I like that the M Jewelers give you the option of like mixing and matching your chains. Okay, so the next place I'm going to talk about is Vanessa Mooney. And I found this brand on Instagram. I feel like I find all my jewelry brands on Instagram, most of them. This is called Vanessa Mooney, and the very first one on my neck, this long one, a lot of people were asking about. This one in particular is called the Giovanni Gold Necklace. And also on Instagram, their Instagram just shows a lot of different ways that you can wear the necklaces. That's also what I like about the Instagram, like the Instagram page, you can see like how to layer it, because layering necklaces are really in right now, and I just love the look of the layered look. If you're minimal or if you're extra like Kelsey, it'll show you different ways to wear your necklaces. But Vanessa Mooney is pretty well known for this one in particular. A lot of people have this one. Yeah, I love the chain on this one the most. It just feels very durable, very sturdy. Some of her stuff is 24 karat gold plated. I actually lost it the first time I bought it in Turks and Caicos, and I just want to cry just thinking about it. I had to order it again, so I plan on keeping this one near and dear and nice and safe, because who wants to repurchase a piece of jewelry? Like, no one. So that's what this one is called. And then this cross one that I wear is called the Emma cross necklace. I love this cross. It's not like a super like flat, smooth gold like texture. It's more of like a kind of rigid, I don't know, like more worn look of a texture. I don't know how to describe it. You'll know like when you see it like up close. So I really love this one. I wear these two a lot together, and I think the rope chain that I'm wearing as well is also from Vanessa Mooney. So she does have like just regular rope plain chains that you can mix with your other necklaces. So I really like this one as well. So I highly recommend all three of these. I wear these a lot together, but the main two I wear together is the cross one and the Giovanni gold necklace, which is this one. And again, it just has Jesus on the cross inside of it. I really like these square, well, is this a square rectangle?
It's kind of rectangle. It's like the smaller version of this one.
Yeah, I like the shape of this one. It's not rounded.
Yeah, mine is rounded and yours is like more straight edge.
Yeah, straight edge. So I really love these because you can see them from far away. I wear this one a lot by itself, and it looks really cute with high neck bodysuits, and it just pops on black, like dark colors. So I really like how this looks alone, like by itself too. Okay, so the last place that I want to talk about for my necklaces is a place called Leroux Jewels. I think I'm saying that right. Obviously, each website will be linked in the description box, so you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. But a lot of people were asking me about this CC necklace that I wear, which basically looks like the Chanel symbol. They have a lot of different versions of this on their site. This one in particular that I have is called the Winter CC necklace. They have like a regular, like flat, smooth, straight gold one, but this one has like different textures in it.
Oh yeah, I love that.
So I prefer this one. It just looks a lot more special, and I love the chain on it as well. Super cute. I wear this one by itself a lot. Necklaces that are more chunkier, like the actual pendant on it, when it's chunkier, I wear it by itself because it's like it's its own statement piece, if that makes sense. So I'm not in the mood to put on like 3 necklaces like today all the time, but most of the time I'll at least wear one, and it's usually like this style because you can just notice it by itself. And I do love this gold. It's a lot richer of a gold than some of my other necklaces. Like the one I'm wearing, it's a little bit more
it's darker.
It's like more yellow. More yellow.
These are more white gold. That's more yellow gold.
Yes. So I do like the color of this one. This also why I wear this one by itself, because it's not the same gold as this one. So I like this one on its own. And this one was $55. I know this sounds kind of pricey for jewelry, but when it's something you wear every day and it basically makes your outfit come together, I just hate wearing a cute outfit and you know it's something missing, and it's usually a necklace or a piece of jewelry.
But I feel like jewelry is an investment though, especially if you want it to last, because
that's
clearly, like I said, I had to get rid of some of my stuff because it was turning.
That's true.
These are extremely expensive. I'm not even going to mention the price. Y'all can just go see for y'all.
Yeah, those are the most expensive out of this entire video.
Because they're real and they're going to last.
So this CC necklace, if you guys are looking for it, then go to Leroux Jewels. I feel like I'm saying that wrong still.
Sounds right to
me.
The
H is silent though.
Sounds right to me.
Lyrics, I don't know. This is from there. If you're looking for a Chanel necklace, that's where I got mine. I'm really on the hunt for a Nefertiti necklace. I really want one of those.
The next 2 pieces I want to mention were actually the same piece, but they are these bracelets. I've been getting a ton of questions about this bracelet lately because I have not taken it off since I've purchased it. And this is from Alex and Ani on Nordstrom. So that's where I got this bracelet from. It's just an elephant bracelet. It has a cute little elephant on it. And if you guys didn't know, that's like our favorite animal ever. We have them all over the house. We love elephants. I don't know, I just feel like a connection to them. So I love elephants.
Elephants and horses.
And horses. Yeah, we love horses too. But yeah, I got Kendra and I these just for no reason. And plus, like, we both had been wanting a bracelet that we always keep on our arms. Like, we never take these off.
No. I don't even know how to take it off, to be quite honest.
That's because I had to help you put it on, so I don't think you would even, like you said, you wouldn't even know how to.
Yeah.
It's like a little adjustable, you know, thing right here. I figured it out the first time I put it on, but I honestly forgot, so that's, like Kendra says, also why we haven't taken them off. But they're just so cute and dainty, and they're just like special. So Alex and Ani is also a really good brand. They used to have like, I know they're really known for their bangles, but honestly I cannot stand like those kind of bangles with the chains and charms on them because they make too much noise. And I'm just like, you sound like a puppy coming in the room. You know what I mean? Like the little chain dangling is kind of annoying. So that's why I like this one better from them, because it's like more understated and simple and doesn't make any noise. And then since we're also on the subject of bracelets, I also get a lot of questions about this faux fake Cartier inspired bracelet. This is from Princess P Jewelry, and this is only one of them. The other one is somewhere in my room. Can't find it. I also have this in silver. I have a silver one as well. But
I have a silver one here.
Oh yeah, there's the silver one. But Kendra and I have had these for like 3 or 4 years now.
Yeah, a while.
I think about 3 or 4 years, and you can never take your gold one off.
One in particular that it's really hard to come off.
Yeah. But it's just easy. It just like pops right on like that, and it just stays on. So I like to wear this a lot. Sometimes I'll wear it with like my Michael Kors watch. Don't have it with me right now. But I just like to wear it by itself sometimes too. So it's just like a really versatile piece. And I'll wear my other gold one. I used to have 3 gold ones, but I lost my first one. It's somewhere in my car, but it's probably been in that car for like the past 2 years because I have no idea where it is. But these don't make as much noise as some bangles, because some bangles, like I said, are really annoying, but these aren't as noisy. And once again, these are from Princess P Jewelry. I don't know if they're still on there, because like I said, Kendra and I have had these for so long.
Wow. And last but not least, I want to briefly mention my hoops, because a lot of people ask Kelsey and I where we get our hoops from every single time we wear them.
Yeah.
And I feel like hoops are like the cheapest thing when it comes to jewelry to buy, because I don't know, they're just so, they look the same everywhere. There's not ones that look more expensive than others, at least to me.
Not to me
I just feel like hoops are hoops are hoops.
Yeah, and I prefer not to have real ones because they're too heavy.
No.
They like weigh your ear down.
And they hurt my neck if they're too heavy.
Yeah, so honestly with big hoops, I prefer to buy fake ones because they're really lightweight.
Yeah, super light. We get ours from Forever 21. I don't remember the last time I went to any other store to get my hoops. If you're looking for any like plain ones, like neither one of these are plain. They have like some kind of print on them, which I prefer, but I've seen some plain regular ones on Amazon.
I have plain ones from Forever too.
The last time I was looking for those, they didn't have them. So
they're gone.
Forever 21 changes their hoops sometimes, but I like these. I prefer these anyway. So these have like a nice, like, I don't know, rigid kind of texture to them, really cute. And then these have some like little gold stripes on them.
I like that too.
So I like that they're different prints, just to give a different vibe. This one is a little bit of a darker gold. This one is more of a white looking gold. So if you're looking for a big huge hoops, go to Forever 21. They're super cheap, and I just don't recommend buying expensive hoops.
I mean, unless that's what you want to do. But your ears will have splits in them.
Ew.
If they're too heavy, yeah. A lot of older people have that, because back in the day they used to have like those super heavy silver ones.
Oh yeah.
Remember? Our grandmother used to wear those.
Yeah,
so it's not good for your earlobes, okay?
And also, obviously, while we're on the topic of earrings, I guess we'll mention also, if you have any questions about the studs that we get, I get our studs from Nordstrom. I forgot the name of it. I think there's some kind of cubic zirconia, whatever.
You can link them.
I'll find them, but I always get the gold ones. I don't really like the silver back. I prefer the gold ones.
Yeah,
and I get 2 different sizes, the smaller one and the larger ones, just because on regular days I like to wear the smaller ones, and then when I'm like going out, I wear the bigger ones. So these last a really long time. Nordstrom is a really good place to get earrings. I highly recommend Nordstrom. I love their studs. I'm obsessed. They come in like a little box. They're perfect gifts.
Yeah,
get the whole family some studs, all the girls in your family some studs if they need like an everyday earring. It's like the perfect place.
Yeah. So. Okay guys, that pretty much wraps up all about our jewelry video. It wasn't too long. I feel like we breezed through that kind of fast.
Yeah.
But we just wanted to inform you guys on all the jewelry we like to wear, and then like give you guys some ideas on some sites to shop on, because we know when it comes to jewelry you really don't know where to go and like what brands to trust either. I'm glad we can inform you guys on where we like to buy our jewelry from. So yeah, we hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you guys in the next one.